Hello friends, actually we are explaining about our SMD rework station which is from Goot, which is a Japanese company, and they make a very reliable products. This company model XFC 110 is a SMD hot rework system. We want to just explain how these systems are built better with the better materials. Um, Now this rework station has a temperature control. You can increase and decrease the temperature using this knob, and this has a airflow volume control also, so that you can control the air below when you are doing the SMD rework station. And this has a input inside, there is a vacuum pickup also. Now there is a you when you insert the bit, and you can put the cup, and then just to lift the component, it's more easy holding from the head. And the most important thing about this is the heater reliability is quite good, and the heater pipe itself comes with the glass insulation, so that there will be no shock come to the human by chance if it touch or something. It's a insulation, and also the heat transfer is all efficiently goes to the through the nozzles. Goot is making the nozzle at a thermodynamics nozzles. The thermodynamic nozzles means all the heat losses on the way should be less, and the maximum heat should come out of the nozzle. So their shapes are coming like this. They make a lightweight nozzles so that heat should not be consumed in the mass of the nozzle itself. So maximum energy should be transferred for your repair and rework. Now coming to the point, actually on the bits, they have a very specialized bit. For example, one is you can just put the bit, a simple hot air. You can do small component like small SOIC, small QFPs and all that. You can do easily. This is a bit. The bits has some special feature, like they are not like a normal blower. They are the part is extended. The extended part will help you that when you are blowing the hot air all is hit over here, and focus goes to the component lead. So when you keep the, for example, let's say this example is this component. So the heat will all go on the lead. The body of the IC will remain at a lower temperature, but all heat is focused in this area. And because of that extended part, the heat is not affecting the side by components also. So this is a very special actually feature of the Goot nozzles. So nozzles are available in different sizes and shapes. Now for example, you can easily apply the solder nozzle, actually this using this guide easily, and then you can tight, so that no heat leakage should hot air leakage should come.